great for rising. I'm Lilybell. You be encouraged and you keep on churning till the butter comes. You know, there's a lot of healing that needs to take place in the Black community. We avoid it, we pretend, we lie, we look the other way. Well, I want to introduce to you my new channel. It's called Heal Thyself with Lilybell, where we can heal together. We got to get away from the myths we want to portray. There's so many things that needs to be taken care of, need to be healed. So I just want to introduce you to my new channel, Heal Thyself with Lilybell. I encourage you to go to the channel, listen to the videos, subscribe, comment, offer suggestions. Let's heal together. Listen to this, and I'll be back. Hello, welcome to my new channel, Heal Thyself with Lilybell. Heal Thyself is personal for me. It's the space I wished I had while dealing with childhood trauma, trying to heal. Heal Thyself with Lilybell is a sacred, compassionate space for healing childhood trauma and restoring the inner child, the child that hid away to protect herself. Heal Thyself channel is for those who grew up too fast, stayed silent too long, or learned to survive before they learned to feel. Through honest conversation, storytelling, reflection, and gentle guidance, Lilybell walk with you as you unpack old wounds, as we unpack old wounds, as we break unhealthy cycles, and as we connect with the parts of ourselves that were overlooked, dismissed, or hurt. Healing is not rushed here. There's no shame, no judgment, only truth, patience, and growth. This is a place to learn emotional awareness, self-compassion, and inner restoration. What happened to you does not define you, but healing yourself can transform anything. So let's heal together. Heal Thyself with Lilybell is currently a public platform. Pretty soon it will become private because of the content that we will be sharing, and some of the language that we will be using is public right now to make people more aware and to invite people to become a part of. But we value each other, we value each other's privacy, and we respect each other. Like, subscribe, and comment. More things are coming as we move forward. I'm Lilybell. I'm glad you're here. Heal Thyself. Be encouraged. There you have it. The new channel, Heal Thyself with Lilybell. It's time we heal. It's time for us to break these generational patterns. There's no such thing as a generational curse. Let's get rid of these generational patterns. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Come, let's heal together. I'm glad you're here. Be encouraged. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Support our youth in any way you can. Keep on churning till the butter comes. Albert Richardson, a black man, patent the butter churn U.S. patent number 446470, February 17th, 1891. I'm Lilybell. I'm just trying to create a dialogue. I leave you with this. If they close my book, you remember my story. A Nat Turner Runner production. Lock and load. Lilybell. Be encouraged.